Now, what is the SPED certification program? For the professional piping designers, we currently offer 4 levels of certification. Level 1, called Basic, is mainly about concern with whether the candidate is properly trained for routing pipe, whether they consider all the maintenance and construction and fabrication issues and material issues involved in just routing pipe from nozzle to nozzle. Level 2 is a more advanced degree of accomplishment. It's all the requirements of level 1, and we'll talk about that in a minute, plus the ability to organize work, understand the information requirements of any particular task. Level 3, a more senior category of certification, means that somebody can work independently and basically anticipate all the issues of piping and that you might find and do equipment layout. Level 4, which is a lead PPD, this is a person who's gone on in his profession to manage, estimate, and assure work. All these things are done through testing and acceptable experience. So people that prepare for professional piping designer level 1 are able to route, support, and verify pipe within an existing layout of process equipment in accordance with the process engineer's P&ID, the agreed piping specification, the piping design standards within an organization, various methods available for fabrication and erection, and the general inspection and maintenance practices. This person should be familiar with both 2D and 3D CAD representations and models, and is qualified through testing. Professional piping designer level 2 is level 1 plus 4 years of acceptable experience. This person should be able to understand the design impact of startup, shutdown, and normal operation, the information he needs before work begins, such as a P&ID and a piping spec. He should have a clear understanding when work is complete. He should be able to properly manage versions and releases and properly extract data, such for things like bill of materials. This is a qualification with the requirements of level 1 plus acceptable experience, 4 years of acceptable experience. Professional piping designer level 3 is level 2 plus 8 years, or at least a cumulative 8 years of acceptable experience. In those 8 years, he should have demonstrated some awareness of space and layout and assurance commonly used for process equipment supporting structure and site infrastructure and facilities. This spacing and layout should be in accordance with the process engineer's P&ID, equipment spacing standards, generally accepted fabrication and erection methods, and inspection and maintenance practices. And all these things should be documented correctly on the appropriate representation. And by that we mean CAD models, plot plans, erection drawings, fabrication ISOs, and other documentation that shows layout skills. This level of qualification requires an additional test, mainly oriented toward plant layout, and an acceptable level of experience. Piping designer level 4 is level 3 plus 12 years of acceptable cumulative experience. And at least 4 of those years, if you've been tested at level 3, at least 4 of those years have to demonstrate some level of management, estimating, checking, and organizing the work of others. You have to demonstrate the ability to bid man hours on limited information, document client requirements, staffing and hiring and termination procedures, and establish schedules and manage change. This qualification is again through training and or acceptable experience, and it does require either a test, but under certain circumstances, very experienced people with many years of management experience can petition to have the test waived. For more information on certification, please visit our website at spedweb.com or call 832-286-3404. And we very much encourage you to get certified. We think it's an excellent thing. Here's a look at our website. And once you get to the website, you'll notice on the main menus there is a section for SPED certification. If you click on that SPED certification, there's additional information on SPED certification, how to apply, what the overall requirements are, some general guidance, what the fee structure is, and how to renew your certification. So we welcome you to inquire, and we think it's a very good credential for pipers. We'd like you to proceed ahead with certification. Thank you very much.